Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan, and in this video, I'm going to talk on the subject on how to extend the date for your expired ad group on Bing ads. Okay, so let's say if you are running Bing ads, sometimes what happens is you see eligible here, okay, in your campaigns, but your ads are not running. Okay, you would see 000 everywhere, like, and when you go deep into your campaign, so let's say if I go deep into the campaign here, I'm going to see it would say that ad group has expired. So let's go here, and this would say ad group expired. Now, what I have observed is it's extremely difficult for people to find out how to basically find where or to how to extend the date for this ad group. Like if I go to settings here, I won't be able to find I wouldn't be able to find the date for the extension. Now this says uh, that the notification says that I need to extend the date for this ad group, but I can't find the dates anywhere. Right now, the easy way of doing it is to just go back to the main campaign section. Okay, now, if you see, this says no ads are running, choose a new end date and click save. But we are not able to find the end date because this has been the same challenge with me when Bing Ads updated their interface. So I'm making this video to help all those people who are facing the same issue. So in order to do that, you will go to the campaign section, okay? And you're going to go to all campaigns, and then let's say this ad group is expired, so I want to extend the date for this one. So I'm going to click this campaign, and this would take me to the ad group section. I'm going to click the ad group again, and then it would take me to the keyword section. Okay, now once you are on the keyword section, you are going to go to the settings. Okay, so if you see here campaign ad group one, and right now I'm in the keyword section, the status shows as paused. Right, this shows ad group expired. So I'll go to the settings here, and now I would be able to see the date. You see that advanced ad group settings. So you will find the ad group settings by going through the keyword section. Okay, so I'm going to extend the date of this to uh, turn this off. I'm going to extend the date to maybe next month 31st. Okay, and by 31st March 2021, and I am going to click save. Now the status has turned to enable. You see this here, this has turned green. Now that means my ad group is active now. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other campaigns. And this way I would be able to enable all my campaigns which says ad group expired. Go to campaigns, I'll do the same thing for the other campaign. Campaign section, then this is campaign number 2. I'm going to click this. Click the ad group, and then when I click the ad group, I would be taken to the keyword section. Once I am in the keyword section, then I'm going to click settings. And here I would just change the end date to 31st March. Scroll down. Now, right now this says paused. The status shows paused. I'm going to click save. And now this says enable. There you go. And that being said, this is how you're going to turn your ad groups on, okay? Your expired ad groups on. Thanks for watching. This is Shabir Khan. If you want to know more, just follow the details in the description below of this video and get in touch with me. You can send me a direct message on Facebook and make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification to get more updates.